Text Keats to tell him we'll meet him at the bottom, but we need to go in the sun.
Then we're playing this game. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down and make it.
All right, getting chewed. You guys want to start back here unless you want to go slow? I don't care.
I always go slow.
You don't, you're fast. Oh no.
Where we're going, we don't need speed.
Yeah, where we're going, we don't need any roads.
We don't need speed.
Yes, we do. Drop in. Psych. What are you guys doing? Is this like a filming train or? There's some serious heavy hitting going on. This trail's gonna be running like shit.
All right, hit me.
Yeah.
Go for it, I'll follow you.
If you can, sucker. Oh, woo! What is going on, boys? Little muddy pitty. Whoa, that's loose. I need to like get off the side of the trail. Whoa! Holy shit! That was boinky. Woo! Or we could do a little Irish D, baby. That was cool. Prison Love is good, but Irish D is good too.